So, if your Google Ads CPC is rising and quality leads are dropping, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I got a recent query. So let's address the query. So CPC keeps increasing, but lead quality is getting worse. Search terms look messy even with negatives. Is this more of an intent problem, competition, or Google automation issue? So if you ever notice a pattern like this, when your CPC increases, your quality leads are dropping, there can be few of the reasons why this is happening. So let's start all of the reasons why this is happening over here. So look around for your seasonal trend. Okay, there may be a seasonal demand increase or decrease. So I'm not saying over, but this could be a possibility. So consider this as a possibility. Apart from this, this is seasonal marketing tactic. Apart from this, look around for any auto applied changes. Okay, what happens is, if you move on to your Google Ads account, what happens is, look around, have on their notifications tab, and you may see around over here there may be some notifications over there. And what happens if the auto applied, if the notifications are auto applied, you need to look around for this. So the best thing is move on to your change history over here to see if there is any change history, recent changes done by auto recommendation, so auto apply changes or auto recommendation. So go to your change history and remove over here, because in a change history you may see around over here your recent pattern. All of the patterns may be written over here on your change history, all the changes which have been done. So look around for your change history pattern. Apart from this, look around, move on to the keywords tab. Move on to your keywords tab and see if there is any in the status tab. Go over here, see around your quality score. Okay, this is not running an account, but you may see your quality score over here. See your quality score. Okay, is it dropped or not? So this could be another reason. So also look for your CTR pattern. Okay, CTR means click through rate, number of time people are clicking on your ad. CTR is a percentage. Okay, so ideally, it's you can usually move on to your campaigns tab to see around if there is any okay, you need to adjust the columns over here, modify the columns over here, add the CTR over here and apply over here. And okay, I added the CTR, but why it's not showing over here? It's applied. If they do not still show it, I need to, you can see the CTR now. CTR click through rate, this is your average. So CTR, look around for your pattern, do a comparison this month versus last month. If your CTR is dropped, okay, because if your CTR is dropped, your quality score can also be dropped. So quality score has a huge relationship with your CTR. Also, the quality score looks on various other factors, but the most important factor in this quality score is CTR. So look around for your CTR. Is it dropped or not? So try running up with the new ads as well. So maybe your old ad is boring, try with a new ad. Okay, this happens, this is a marketing technique that your people are fed up from your ad, and this could be a reason. If it's not working and people are ignoring it, and when they are ignoring your ad, it means that your ad is not up to the mark, or there may be, or maybe there is a new competitor in the market. Okay, look around for that, and that competitor may be creating a good ad copy or having a good offer, and people are shifting over there. So this could be a reason. So new competitor or landing page issue. So sometimes if your landing page is not issue on different devices, if landing page is not working well on different devices, or other competitor landing page is very good as compared to your, and people are not filling your form because they do not find it useful. So look around for this as well. So there can be landing page issues as well. I think for the landing page issues, you can add reviews, authenticity certificates or and CTAs plus CTAs. CTA means call to action, urge the visitor to sign up, to fill the form, something like this. So these are the things which can help you if your CPC is rising and quality leads are dropping. So these are the things which I can say right now. But I do not know your bidding strategy, your location, your ad schedule. A lot of things can be said if I have a deep analysis of the data. But these are the general insights based on the information I have. And I hope this answers your question and query. And if anyone's having a problem with their high CPC and needs a professional help, we can help you. If you want us to set up a Google Ads campaign, we can help you. If you want a monthly Google Ads management, we can help you. We are a full-fledged marketing agency and we are over here to help you. So if anyone needs a professional help with their Google Ads, as a Google partner, we are going to help you in setting up your Google Ads campaign, auditing, optimizing, and monthly management, and sorting out your conversion tracking or any other issues, including the analytics tracking or any other issues. We are a full-fledged marketing agency. You can hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I hope this answers your question as well. And I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.